So today we're testing the integrity of the bolt housing. So the bolt design is a custom enclosure that we developed here at PMI, and it consists of a cylinder and 2 end caps. These are 3D printed here in our facility. And we use an adhesive to attach these end caps to the cylinder. Now we've done several tests that you've seen to test the weatherproof ability of the bolt, where we test the seal between the end caps and the tube. But now we want to test the mechanical strength. How strong is this assembly? So we're going to go off-site and use some special equipment to do pull testing on the design itself to make sure that this adhesive is holding the end caps in securely. We've attached eye bolts to the bolt itself so we can do a pull test to make sure the housing is strong with pulling force. So today we have the bolt installed in the machine, and we can measure the force it takes to tear the bolt apart to make sure that it's over-designed and very rugged. So we completed the pull testing of the bolt housing, and it's proved to be very rugged. It withstood over 500 pounds force of pull, and that should ensure a long-lasting product in the field.